As the first week of Hunter Biden's federal gun trial rounds up, his daughter, Naomi Biden, took the witness stand for the defense on Friday. Hunter Biden faces criminal charges over lying on a federal form about his drug use so that he could unlawfully get a gun. The defense called Hunter's daughter to the witness stand, where she said she did not see her father use drugs at any point in 2018 and that he was living with a sober coach late that year. In addition to that, she testified her father appeared in good health and was responding well to the drug treatment around the time he bought the handgun. While giving the testimony, Naomi told the jury that she saw her father in California where he seemed really great. But on cross-examination, Naomi Biden was shown that she had been messaging and calling her father as she was unable to reach him for hours. The week's proceedings have been largely dedicated to highlighting the seriousness of Hunter Biden's drug problem through highly personal testimonies. Jurors heard testimonies from Hunter Biden's ex-wife, former girlfriend, and sister-in-law who testified about his habitual crack use and their failed efforts to help him get clean. Hunter Biden, who has pleaded not guilty, says the Justice Department is bending to political pressure from Republicans and that he is being unfairly targeted. President Joe Biden has said he would not pardon his son if he's found guilty of criminal federal gun charges. He also affirmed that he would accept the outcome of the trial. And for more on this, our correspondent Susan Teherani has sent us this report from New York.
Naomi Biden Neal, Hunter Biden's daughter, took the stand on a Friday in his defense, describing him as being hopeful and sober weeks before he claimed to be drug-free on that gun application. However, prosecutors quickly undercut her testimony by introducing anguished text messages from that period that showed her frustration and concern about her father's addiction. While her testimony aimed to humanize her father and show his struggles with addiction, it may not have helped his case. The prosecution has presented a strong case showing Hunter Biden's spiraling into addiction and his own admission of drug use. The defense's strategy has been to highlight the lack of direct evidence of drug use in October of 2018, but the texts and other evidence presented on Friday may be too damaging to overcome. Ultimately, the big question now is whether or not Hunter Biden himself will testify on Monday. Susan Teherani reporting from New York for WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.